Hi everyone, it's Marisa from bumblebeeapothecary.com, and I'm back with another requested video. I'm going to talk about how I became a certified GAPS coach and how that's going. I thought this was a great video request, and if you do have other video ideas for things that you'd like me to do videos on, be sure and leave me a comment down below. I always love getting video requests from you guys. So this was from one of my viewers, and thank you for this video idea. I thought it was so good. Let's jump right in and start talking about how I became a GAPS coach. So Dr. Natasha Campbell McBride, author of Gut and Psychology Syndrome and Gut and Physiology Syndrome, as well as a few other books, has had the certified GAPS practitioner training program for quite a while now, and there are certified GAPS practitioners all around the world. In 2020, she introduced a new program to train certified GAPS coaches. Now, the difference between a GAPS practitioner and a GAPS coach is this. Previously, GAPS practitioners did everything. They handled the medical side of things, interpreting test results, dealing with supplements and dosing and medications if those were necessary, or like dealing with existing medications and ending those, that kind of thing. So anything medical related, things that would need medical training. And they handled all those things as well as the practical side of following GAPS. All the cooking techniques, the lifestyle changes that come with starting to follow GAPS, knowing how to move through the stages, knowing how to listen to your body and how to support it in all the different ways that it needs, everything. So Dr. Natasha created the GAPS coach role for people to help out in this practical way, to take some of the burden off of the practitioners and bring more people in. To be a certified GAPS coach, you do not need previous medical training. You do need to go through her training, of course, to become a certified GAPS coach, but the focus for coaches is the practical, hands-on side of following GAPS. So like I said, the cooking, moving through the stages, knowing how to listen to your body, how to support it, dealing with all the different challenges that can come up, and just all that practical hands-on stuff. So now the practitioners are a little bit more freed up to deal with the medical side of things, and the coaches can come in and really help people come alongside and help them go through the practical day-to-day part of following GAPS. So I thought that was fantastic. The reason why I decided to become a certified GAPS coach is to make sure that I was sharing the most accurate, up-to-date, and helpful information with you guys, my viewers, my readers of my website, my subscribers, you guys. And another really great benefit that came from it was being able to help my own family better, to be able to learn so much more about helping myself and my family members follow GAPS. So it was fantastic. I'm so glad that I went ahead and did it. It was not cheap. It's quite an investment to go through the training. If you're interested in looking into Dr. Natasha's training programs, I'll put the links down below so that you can look into it some more. She has the practitioner, the coach, and then also a GAPS chef training. I took the certified GAPS coach training, and it's very in-depth. You go through a lot of lessons. There's a lot of hands-on assignments, lots of written assignments, lots and lots of lectures from Dr. Natasha, lots of reading. It was really good. I learned so much. I learned more than I thought I was going to, and I'm so glad that I did it. There's also ongoing training. Every month there's live webinars that the certified GAPS coaches get to be a part of, where we talk about topics and learn even more. So I love that part of it as well. Also during the training itself, and then also afterwards for the graduated coaches, we get to have occasional webinars with Dr. Natasha herself, where she's there live and we can ask her questions, and I think that's so wonderful and valuable. So now let's talk about now that I'm graduated, how I'm using all of this. Well, number one, like I said, the purpose was to make sure that I have the best information to share with you guys, and I can help you guys the most that I can. So that's what I've been doing. I've been making sure that I'm covering all the accurate information in my videos and the things that I put on my website. Another thing that I do on a regular basis is I respond to all of you guys with your questions, and I'm so thankful for that training to be able to have the answers, to be able to help guide people through the challenges that come up. The other ways that I'm using my training is I created a meal plan, and I have that available. It's a GAPS intro meal plan, so I was able to make sure that that fit with all the accurate information. And then I'm not taking clients and in a traditional coaching one-on-one sense so much, but instead what I did was to make more efficient use of everybody's time, and it actually ends up being much more affordable than paying for one-on-one coaching sessions, is I created a complete program. It's a self-paced online program called Follow GAPS Academy, and in it I have all of the steps and everything laid out that a person needs to know to follow GAPS for 12 months. And then I also do include personalized support in that as well. I have a private Facebook group that is just for members of Follow GAPS Academy, and I go in there every single day. Anytime anybody needs help with something or has questions, I go in there and help them answer their questions. And so that's how I do my personalized support. I'll have a link below where I have a free class on how to start the GAPS diet with more confidence and less confusion, and that will tell you more about Follow GAPS Academy. It's not open to the public, but if you watch that free class, then you'll get more information about the course and the program and an invitation to join if you're interested. I'll also have the link to my 30-day meal plan down below too if you're interested in that. So that's how I'm using my training. I am coaching people personally that way. Of course, I have you guys on Instagram and YouTube, and I'm replying to your comments and helping out that way, creating content for you guys, recipes, videos to help you guys. So if you have more topics that you want me to talk about in videos, make sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know. And if you have any further questions about GAPS coaches and anything related to that, be sure and leave me a comment. One of the things that Dr. Natasha emphasized is that as time goes on, people are getting sicker, the world is getting more toxic, and the more of a need that there is for people to become practitioners and coaches and to help more and more people who need GAPS. So if anybody is interested, there is a need. She talked about this several different times, that we need people to help. I hope that you liked hearing about that. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody else you think would find it interesting. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I get out 2 new videos every week on nourishing recipes and natural living. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.